Right. Okay, a quick look. Last night, too cold. That stuff that didn't go hard. Anyway, we got the old bonnet, and dragged the bonnet out of the old reserves, and well, apart from the fact she's a bit out of shape, well, you can't see why, but possibly she's sitting up on the that hasn't sounded too bad. Obviously, bonnet-wise, we're going to have a look into making some bonnet hinges first, because then I think because once we make some hinges, we can actually possibly see where it's all going to go. It's either that or I'm going to make the front. I don't know. I really don't know. Looking at that gap there, I still think this is bent. And, I mean, obviously, the difficult is what do you do? I don't know. Maybe I should. Maybe I can titter bash about with that there and try and get that front end down. What do you think? Well, it's got two choices. So that's our first one, and the second one is we haven't really got a lot of choices. So I mean, the other option was do like, but it just seems a shame to shag a bonnet if I don't need to. But anyway, we could cross that bridge we come to. Stands at the moment, I think, to put our thinking cap on with all of it. But yeah, so in theory, you can see how it's going to work. I do think, unless I get the wings, and I don't know, I'm going to try this with the wing first. Try this with the wing, see if I get the other wing looking as good as we've got the one on the left hand side. And if we can, well then, maybe that'll give me some enthusiasm, but it's not really doing very well at the minute. But yeah, so let's get a screw at the front edge of that bonnet, try and pull that down, flip the bonnet over, have a look and see if I can sort out some hinges, and then see how the hell I'm going to do that. So, for now, there we go, signing off.